What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli. I'm also the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. Now, today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make Cajun fried pickles. Whenever I'm at a restaurant and there is fried pickles on the menu, count Spinelli in. I love fried pickles, guys, and you're gonna love this recipe. But what I do with it, I add a little Cajun to it, a little heat to it, a little that red pepper. Amazing. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. I'm gonna show you guys what we have here. We have 1 cup of buttermilk. We have 1 cup of flour. I have a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper. I have 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. You can use any hot sauce of your choice. And I have 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. So guys, you don't have to use as much hot sauce or Cajun seasoning, but you know me, I love flavoring mine. So I do it to my desire. So feel free to adjust any of these items to your desire when it comes to your seasoning. Everything else you want to keep, you want to remain the same. So if you want more salt, add more salt. If you want less salt, add less salt. So this is just a guideline, guys. Always cook your food to whatever you desire. But I'm just trying to show you how to make some good food. You heard me? All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the pickles from the jar and put them on a cutting board lined with paper towels. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so let's go ahead and remove some of these pickles. I'm just gonna take them out of this thing, sit them on here. And what you wanna do is you want them as dry as you can get. You don't wanna have any of the juice on it. So I'm just gonna spread a few of them around here. And you really want to get some of the, if you got the bigger chips, of course those are going to be better in terms of frying. All right, guys, so once I finish getting all these on the ones that I want, I'm gonna pick out the bigger ones and put the smaller ones back in there. So once I finish that, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so now I have all my pickle chips here. I'm gonna let them sit there for a while, so I'm just gonna move this over here to let it dry out, and we're gonna start preparing our batter to coat the pickle. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the salt into here with the flour. I think this dish will be good enough, big enough, and then we'll add our Cajun seasoning, pepper, garlic powder, and we're going to add our red pepper. So I'm gonna mix this up. The pepper got me. So what I'm gonna do now, since mixing that up, I'm going to add my hot sauce to my buttermilk. I think that's better to add it to your buttermilk. Get out a good mix. All right. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to pour this buttermilk into our flour. So we want to make sure it has a pancake-like consistency. So you want to use you don't want to pour it all at one time. You want to do it, in increments, because again, you want a batter that's kind of like a pancake consistency. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm hoping this bowl is big enough. I don't want it to come out of it. So let me see if I can find another bowl, guys. All right, let's go ahead and try it. Maybe we'll see what we'll try. So let's go ahead, add our let's go ahead and this probably will work. Yeah. And let's do a little bit. There you go. the rest of it. There you go. So you want to make sure it has that pancake-like consistency. I know some people like them old watery pancakes. I don't eat them watery pancakes, guys. This is the right consistency right here. So this looks good. All right, so I'm gonna give this a good mix so we don't try to get as many of the lumps out of it, and we'll come back and get these things coated and into a fryer. All right, so now what we're gonna do, I put my pickles into a bowl. They're dry, and here I have my batter here, and right now I have this oil. It's good to go, it's ready to go. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple of those pickles and I'm going to put them in this batter. And then what you want to do, shake off the excess batter. And we're gonna let these things cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right. See that when they start rising up like that, guys? I think you got you something. Look at that. So these things are ready. We're gonna go ahead and take them out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place them on this sheet here. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the batch, and I'll see you guys in just a bit. All right, so now I finished frying all of the fried pickles. So let's take a look at them. Look at that. I can't wait to bite into these. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get these things plated up, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, guys, what did you think about these Cajun fried pickles? I mean, they are delicious. Let me try one of them. I love them. Man, I can snack on these things all night long. The flavor, the crisp, I love them. That's all that I have for today. I really appreciate you guys stopping by, and I did leave the measurements in the video description below. I also left all the items in the video description below. If you don't have them, you can also click on them Amazon links. Take you to Amazon, you can buy these items. It also helps the channel. So until then, I'm your boy Spinelli. Oh, before I go, if you hadn't liked the video, go ahead, like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I am out. Peace.